Why learning to program is so hard. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. So in today's video, we're going to talk about a realization that I've had over the past month or two while I've been doing these live streams. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. We do a live stream every day. We solve a problem, we revisit an issue, or we really deep dive into a certain topic. But these videos that are published 5 days a week usually cover one topic. So make sure you're hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell. So what am I talking about? Why is programming, why learning to program is so hard? So what I realized a couple months ago was that you're really not doing one thing when you're learning to program. You're actually doing two things. So I call it Python brain and human brain. So first, you're actually you're not actually learning to program. You're learning a programming language. So you're learning how to redesign the way that you think through a problem, and then learn how to write it down in that language. So once you learn a first programming language, so you're learning a programming language, then you're thinking and learning how to think programmatically, and then you have to write these instructions. So if you're struggling with programming, you're not alone. Everyone has a challenging time doing this. It took me on and off for probably 3 years to really wrap my head around Python. But to give you some hope and some light at the end of the tunnel, the issues that I struggle with cognitively and the way that my brain works neurologically, your second and third and subsequent languages thereafter become easier and easier and easier because you already know how to program. Think like a 5-year-old. So you're actually doing two things when you're learning to program. So be patient with yourself, subscribe to the channel, join the Discord, try to join a few of the streams. We are hyper focused on new learners, new beginners, and we really spend time focusing on the basics, and then we like to solve problems every once in a while, and we have fun hanging out together. So if this is what you want to learn, take time. You have to practice it. There's no shortcuts around it, but come and hang out, and we will give you the motivation and the support that you need and deserve. So thank you everyone for watching. Please drop any comments, questions, video requests, and as always, thank you everyone for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye everyone.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye guys.